Beside me is the River Street, a must-see landmark in Changde, central China's Hunan province. The River Street area was once a bustling large wharf in ancient Changde, and the current River Street was rebuilt to restore its appearance in old times. It's a block where culture, tourism, commerce, and history are all blended together. On Tuesday, Chinese President Xi Jinping inspected the city of Changde. Xi visited the River Street and learned about the restoration and utilization of historical and cultural blocks and the comprehensive management of urban water environment. Strolling along this quaint street feels like stepping back in time, with the simple yet elegant wooden houses reminiscent of artisan workshops, inns, and post offices from about a century ago. As I stepped into a vintage tea house, I discovered a unique way of making tea, with the tea leaves ground with ginger, sesame, peanuts, and other ingredients. Locals call it lei cha or ground tea, which has been enjoyed by locals for over 1,000 years. Such tea-making technique has been passed down for many generations, and this tea house owner also inherited this craft. 老板，您跟我们讲一下，它这个手工研磨的话，跟机器有什么区别呀？
手工研磨的话，它首先它是肯定会味道更香，喝上去口感肯定是更绵密、更好一点。机器的话，它就口感没那么好。
这个味道还是挺不错的，很特别，然后就是又咸咸辣辣的，又很香。
姜是去寒去湿的，所以说喝了对我们这边人都很好。
是一种文化，
一种文化，一种交流，反正就是说待客之道，就喜欢喝这个擂茶，一直传承下来。
Not only enjoying traditional tea along the river, at the same time, you can also immerse yourself in the modern commercial district with coffee shops, restaurants, and local specialty stalls. As I walked into this wood carving shop, an intricate wood sculpture caught my eyes. It's a miniature of Changde River Street carved onto a tree trunk.
作品是表现了我们常德本土内涵的一些内容。在这个作品里面，我们描绘了湘西北的人文地貌、民间工艺、特色的吊脚楼，还有繁华的码头。我们拍此木雕呢，不是任何牌别的限制只要是与我们本土文化和艺术能够有所衔接的是为了展示我们本土文化。
The River Street also showcases many other intangible cultural heritages, such as embroidery and folk opera, many of them combining both tradition and modernity. Here I met a performer of the Changde Silk String, a national-level intangible cultural heritage and a singing art form popular across Hunan province.
我觉得常德丝弦在中国曲艺界应该说是掀起了一股改革创新的新风。比如说，我们有一个作品运用了那个现代的 rap 的音乐加在里面，我们用一种非常接地气的非常诙谐的一种表演形式，包括它的音乐也是比较欢快的这种形式去展现在舞台上。
With a history spanning over 2,000 years, Changde is endowed with a rich cultural legacy. Through the dedicated efforts of inheritors, the folk opera, embroidery, and wood carving have been revived from mere memories or books. They're thriving in the modern society, continuously evolving and innovating to maintain their relevance and vitality.